What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Less Seasoning. I'm here with my wife, and we got married.
Woo!
But that's old news. That happened in October. More recently, though, congratulations to Farnham and Jacqueline for getting engaged. That's awesome.
And I literally called it when Jacqueline posted, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was like, she's engaged. And Corey's like, how do you know? I'm like, it's December 23rd. That's Christmas Eve. Friends, hello. And I was like, he's her lobster.
Because she's your lobster.
See? He's her lobster.
But we want to say huge congratulations. So in honor of Jacqueline's and Jordan's engagement, we're going to make Jacqueline's favorite pasta.
The lobster pasta.
Well, at least that's what I think it's called. But it's called my fiance's favorite pasta. So that's what we're going to make. This video is going to be so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoy our journey of trying to cook these dishes. Jordan's a pro. We are not. Yeah, we are less. We're less. And somewhat matching this time. Woo!
Kind of. I don't have Balenciaga, but I live in Orlando, so
No,
I have
I do.
Harry Potter.
But I do have Jacqueline Roxanne.
The ingredient list, there's only 10 of them, and they are 2 lobster tails, shallot, lemon, garlic, a red chili pepper, Italian parsley, unsalted butter, fresh pasta. This one is in the refrigerated section at your grocery store. I'm telling you, do this, it's amazing. White wine, I'm using Sauvignon Blanc. Yeah. And lastly, some olive oil.
We have 2 lobster tails and it's in our pasta, so let's cut them up. Take your shears, you're gonna cut straight down the top of the lobster, cut straight down the bottom of the lobster.
Oh my
then
God.
You're gonna put your finger in between the meat and the shell to release it.
Oh my god, it looks like a crawfish.
Aren't they related to crawfish?
No, it looks like a sand dollar. No, it looks like that thing
A sand
the thing that
dollar.
crawls on the bottom of the thing, you know.
Horseshoe crab?
Oh my god, yes.
That's it. Looks
Oh
like
my
a
god, its
lobster.
little legs. Oh my god. Oh my god, that crunch. Oh. Ooh. Oh, this is so gross. Oh, this is nasty. Oh my god. How are you not freaking out about this? Oh my god.
You do that enough for both of us.
Dude, this is making my stomach churn. Oh my god, it's legs.
Come on.
How does that not bother you? Alright, so he cuts it like right down the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Lengthwise.
Yeah.
This looks like a vagina.
Okay.
Sorry. And then he just kind of like chops it and seasons it with salt and pepper. Alright, so next he cuts the shallot, but he cuts it like, I'm gonna try.
Next, we're gonna cut up 1 shallot. All you're gonna do is chop the top off, run your knife around the
Wait, how do I know which one's the top? This the top?
No.
This is the top.
No.
How do you know? You don't know. So he says cut the top off. Okay, and then he makes
Watch your hands.
cuts the side. Oh shit! Oh, I went too deep. Okay, then he does like this really cool like knife technique. He's making it so it's easier.
Gonna cut lines this way and then turn 90 degrees and cut lines that way.
Okay, so do I do like this?
Yeah, just watch your fingertips and don't go all the way to the bottom.
Like that?
Yeah, okay. So now there you go. See, be careful. And
Okay.
do one more. If you can't, watch your thumb. There you go.
Okay.
And now turn it 90 degrees
This
and do
way?
the same thing. See how they're starting to split?
Yeah.
That's fine. And now lay it down and chop.
Oh my god, that makes it so easy. This would be so much easier when I do HelloFresh. Which I think Jordan has a code. Alright, and then he puts it all in the bowl. Okay, so
all our fresh ingredients.
All of our fresh
white
ingredients.
wine,
Our what?
olive oil, that lemon. Next to
All of our fresh ingredients. That's what I said.
Uh-huh.
And then I
that,
think
you've got a large saute pan.
large saute
Next to
pan.
that,
A large
you've got
sata
a
pan.
sauce pot filled with water. And next to that, I've got my pasta.
Oh, I got my
That's
pasta.
the first thing we're gonna do. Salt our water like the ocean. We want this nice and salty. Then we're gonna
Okay.
kick our heat up. Put a lid on. And let this thing come move. Let's get
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada bing, bada boom.
He says a couple tablespoons. What does that mean?
Means more than 1 tablespoon.
Okay, I don't.
Bada bing, bada boom.
How do I measure that?
You just guess. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Okay. Let's get this butter.
What's he add first?
He adds the shallots and the peppers first.
Okay, because they take a little bit to sweat,
Yeah.
and then the garlic quick because it's gonna burn.
And then the lobster. I don't know. Oh. Oh, this is heating. Should we open this up? And that takes 3 minutes. He has a nice pan to do all this stuff. I'm also wearing Jacqueline Roxanne ears too, like earrings. It's my favorite. I'm waiting for the restock.
By me, Jacqueline Roxanne.
And we're back.
That was the quickest commercial break ever. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good. I also just love the way onions smell.
Am I bringing flashbacks?
You can squeeze the lemon today. I don't feel like
Oh,
dropping
you don't
in
want
the
to drop it
sauce.
into this and ruin everything?
I don't know how Jordan does it, but he's able to measure a half a cup of wine, like, with his eyes. I can't do that. I need a measuring cup.
You know I bartend, right?
So you're telling me you know what a half a cup of wine is?
You want to test me first?
Fuck yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
All right, half a cup.
Yeah. You're on. All right.
That's a little over half a cup.
Pour it in here.
Ooh, just under.
Ooh, you're under. So
But
close.
by how much though?
So
Let's see how much under I was. Not much.
I will pour it in.
Right?
Yep. All right, now what?
Drink the rest of the bottle.
Bada bing, bada boom.
wine. We're gonna go ahead and squeeze half our lemon.
So he does a whole lemon. So he says half a lemon, but he does a whole lemon. How does he get without the seeds in there?
You just left it upright,
Yeah, I can't do that.
like squeezing it like this.
My hand, I'm not strong enough to squeeze that.
Is that better? You feel better now that I've done it this way?
Yeah. All right, so he said to add the lobster. And then he says, as the lobster starts to turn white, we add a little bit of olive oil. Give it a mix. So while that's
That
mixing,
lobster starts to turn white, I'm just gonna add another little shot of oil. Give it a mix. All right, our lobster's basically almost done. All we have to do
ooh,
is
it
put our
feels
butter,
weird.
do that.
Give it a little mix. And he said let it cook for 3 minutes. All right, so while that's cooking, he said throw in the butter. And then he takes a little bit of parsley. Now, he said they're not the big fan of parsley. I love parsley, so. Ooh. All right, now this is where you have to come in because.
Put it down, let it come back to a nice little simmer. We'll see that start to bubble again. Here it comes, perfect. And then we just swirl it around, just like that. That's gonna turn into a nice, beautiful sauce.
Pasta water's hot.
Ready?
Swirl it. I gotta swirl it.
Smells good. Cheers. Cheers.
That's really good. It's super light.
Holy
Get rid of
shit.
those pastas that are like really, really thick and dense and rich.
Yeah, I was actually really scared because I've never made anything with wine before. So I was scared that the wine was gonna be very pungent and like really overwhelming. And it's not.
No,
It's really good. It has like a nice, like soft, like lemony flavor to it. Try the lobster. Wow, even lobster's good.
Yeah, it's all really good.
Oh my god, yay! So I would definitely say Jordan made it look really easy, and it is really easy. It's just the prep time, I think, is what took us the longest. The prep time always takes us like a long time. Like you should see us whenever we make HelloFresh
It
meals.
says 5-minute prep time and it's 35 minutes later. Yeah.
Yeah, we're really slow at cutting up stuff. So needless to say, this dish was super, super easy to make, not expensive at all. I think the most expensive part of this was the lobster. Other than that, it was super easy and it's really freaking delicious. And I can like safely say that I'd love to make this again with Corey though, because I don't want to touch the lobster.
Wait, you can't do the lobster?
No,
When it's
no.
just waving its tail at you?
Yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Less Seasoning. Again, a huge congratulations to Jordan and Jacqueline on their engagement. I'm so happy they found their lobster. They're their lobsters. So yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to see what Jordan comes out with next. Hopefully it's another kick-ass pasta dish like this because I love pasta and I could eat pasta every fucking day. So, but yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's really good. It's awesome.
Yeah,
But congrats again. We're going to go enjoy this.
So with that said, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel with my amazing husband, Corey. It's R for the Life, where you guys get to see our cool, wonderful adventures. You guys get to see our beautiful doggies. This is Coe's. And then my little Kaya bear,
Hey, come on.
Kaya's, come here. Kaya, come here. And this is the Kaya bear. So you guys can see our wonderful adventures on that channel. And I just want to say a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so
Right
much
here.
for everything.
Over my
And
face.
for my viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for clicking this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye.